Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about the Astrobot plush. Alright, let's begin. Now the Astrobot plush is a delightful collectible that perfectly captures the charm of the beloved character from the Astrobot video game series. Designed with fans in mind, this plush brings the playful and adventurous spirit of Astrobot to life in an irresistibly soft and cuddly form. Whether you're a gamer or a collector, this plush is sure to put a smile on your face. Crafted with high-quality materials, the plush feels incredibly soft and durable, making it ideal for both display and play. The attention to detail is impressive, with Astrobot's signature features, such as his cheerful facial expression, blue accents, and robotic design, faithfully recreated. Standing at around 12 inches tall, it's the perfect size to hug, display on a shelf, or keep as a companion during gaming sessions. One of the standout aspects of the Astrobot plush is its versatility. It appeals to a wide audience like children who love cuddly toys, and even adults who appreciate well-made collectibles. Its durable stitching ensures it can handle plenty of hugs or playtime without losing its shape or charm. This plush also makes for an excellent gift for any occasion, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or simply as a surprise for someone who loves gaming. It's guaranteed to bring joy. Overall, the Astrobot plush is a must-have for fans of the series and anyone looking for a cute and high-quality addition to their collection. So that's basically all about the Astrobot plush. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.